There are many different kinds of genomic tests that are coming onto the market for breast cancer. The Oncotype DX test has been the one that's had the most clinical experience, and it's been the one, in fairness, that is most carefully linked to prospective clinical trials where some of the women got chemotherapy and some didn't, and so it's been the most useful for deciding that key question of whether to give chemo or not. Another commonly used test, the so-called PAM50 test, categorizes tumors as luminal A or luminal B. Luminal A cancers tend to be low grade, very strongly estrogen receptor positive, they're always HER2 negative, they tend to have low proliferation scores, and for the most part, those tumors have very low Oncotype DX recurrence scores. And luminal B tumors are also estrogen receptor positive, but they tend to be higher grade, more proliferative, and they tend to have intermediate or higher scores. So it's another way of classifying tumors, and the argument is that if it's luminal A, it probably doesn't need chemotherapy, and if it's luminal B, it probably does need chemotherapy. There are less data to really prove that point in terms of studies that have looked at chemotherapy treatment or not, but they're actually very, very overlapping with the Oncotype DX score, and so some places do order other tests.